Alright, so this is the packaging that it comes in, and I noticed that all their companies that have been sending me here, they have this box. So yeah, so those fell out. The lashes, I got the lashes with them in this packaging, and I also got the I think it's I don't know, it's like a brooch, or not brooch, like something that goes on your neck or on your hand or something to that effect. So yeah, so this is the hair. This is your Brazilian curly. I'm sorry, my voice is all over the place. But this is your Brazilian curly. The longest length is 16 inch. And I'm about to show you guys the closure. The closure is, no, it's 18. The closure is 14 inches. So it's 18, 16, 12, 14. Oh my god, I don't know the length, you guys. It can be 20. I think it's 20. You know what? In good lyric fashion, I'll have the length of the hair for you guys in the description bar. But I love this hair. The thing is though, I don't know what it is, but this hair is so light for Brazilian hair. I really don't think this hair is Brazilian at all. I don't know why it's Brazilian hair. I don't know if it's a wig cap that I use, but this wig cap is like, it makes the hair so much lighter than it already is. I'm actually going to be coloring. Oh my god, guys. My yarn, I'm sorry. I'm actually going to be coloring the hair with that 40 volume developer and this Colorista lightning cream, and this just comes in a kit that I have, but I just decided to use this alone. So I'm going to mix the two and color it. You see how dark the hair is? It's going to lift it to a nice light brown color. Now I didn't have it saturated on the hair at all. I just kind of brushed it on at different areas, and it really gave the hair a really nice brown look. So what I want to do with the next bundle that I get, I want to actually bring it up to like a nice burnt orange, like a nice orange color. So that means I'm gonna have to get like some basic white and some 40 volume. I forgot buy that, but that's the aim for the next one. But see them like a cup and so let's sprinkle it on the ear and be sitting now. But this is all that I did. I am just showing you guys how the hair came, how it came packaged to me, the color of the hair and how it looks. So as you can tell, I got 3 bundles and a closure. I'm only going to use 2 bundles and the closure, and I just put the color on it and leave it to sit. I wrap it up in some scandal bag, and I true Jamaican version also, and then just put it down for about an hour. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, for about an hour and a half. So yeah, this is basically what I did to the hair from Klaiyi hair. I love it. I'll tell you guys how I feel about it for the rest of the video. But I love the hair. It is very, very light. And again, I think it may have to do with the wig cap that I actually use. But yeah, so that's what I did. Okay, so this is the weaving cap that I use. I actually bought this in Mobile. I'm selling my Batiste shirt. I was coming from promotions. This vlog is now up where I'm coming from promotions, but that's the wig cap that I bought. I did not want to buy this one. I want to buy the dome one that I'm accustomed to. But this wig cap, you guys, I feel like it makes the hair so light. So this is how I make my wigs. I just put it between my legs. There where she's here. Anyway, I put it between my legs, and then I'm tacking down the corners of the closure. Why am I tacking it down? I'm sewing it down first before I sew on the rest of the closure. Why? Because I don't have any of the pins that the more traditional, sophisticated, professional wig makers use. I don't have none there, and I didn't buy any on this day. So I'm just tacking it down, and then I'm just sewing it basically to keep it together. So this is all I'm doing, and I'm going to do this for the 4 corners of the hair. So I'm just tying it right now to secure it. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys, I just yawn, and I know it sounds really unprofessional in my YouTube videos for me to be yawning. I'm very, very sorry. But yeah, and I'm doing the other side now, and this is all that I did to tack it down 4 corners, and then just went in and sew on the closure as I usually do. So yeah. Alright, so this is the hair, and I actually double the weft. So this is it, and the weft is doubled as you can see, but I'm going to sew it on just like this. Right? It's like of a considerable length. It's quite lengthy. So this is the back of the hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew it around. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to. I'm going to flip this up. This is what I'm going to do. Flip this up and hide it. Because, yes, Samara? Find a new page and then draw it.
I want that page.
Alright, hurry. So I'm just flipping these under. So that's it though in a way, and I'm going to flip this up. Yeah, I'm going to flip this one up. No, let me flip it under. Flipping it under, right? And when I sew it, I'm going to sew this down. I'm just put this under here. Alright, so this is what we're looking like now. I've never used this cap before, so this, I'm just figuring my way out around this. So what I tend to do is I tend to get the side that is already separated here, and then I'm going to go in with, I'm going to like form my anchor or whatever. So I'm going through both the weft, two weft, pushing the needle through it. And as I said in my last tutorial, my last wig making tutorial, I use a long needle, a long thread. So I'm going to start by going, alright, so come. So I'm going to go in here. I really hope you guys are seeing this. It's already anchored, so I'm going to go ahead and sew it onto here, like just wiggling it through this. And by doing this, I'm attaching the hair to it now. See, the hair is attached. Then I'm going to go through the weft again, both wefts, and through this, and I'm just going to 1, 2, 3, 4 further secure it. All right, wipe and then call me. Like that. I'm going to get this little bump here. One, two. Alright. Then from here on out, I'm actually going to go like through the hair itself. Not the weft, but like through the hair itself. 1, 2. And I'm going to continue. I just want to show you guys what actually start sewing. Alright, so now I'm on top. This is such a weird angle for me. So I only have 2 bundles in, not the full 3, and I have this, right? So I'm just going to go across and sew. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to sew on the weft of the other one. This weft here. So I'm just going to attach it. Push the needle through all 3 wefts, because this is just one. And remember, I doubled it, so it's going through 3 wefts. Come through the corner right here. Please don't break. I feel like my needle going to break. Sorry, Jonathan watching that Boss Baby. Come through. Then I'm going to go through all 3 wefts again. Come through and then go 1, 2, 3. There we go. So now
I don't want to know more.
Don't want to know more. Give my room. Guys, so this is the wig, and I'm speaking soft again because Jonathan is sleeping. But this is the wig. Again, it's from Klaiyi hair. This is what it looks like. It's only have 2 bundles in there. I still have a full bundle left. And I may or may not add it because I don't like the gap between like the 14-inch and everything else. You see, there's like a gap, a space. So this is the hair, you guys. It's really soft. It's the Brazilian curly. It's really soft. Also, it's light. It's really light for Brazilian hair. This almost feels like Malaysian hair. It's really light for Brazilian hair. Or it may just be the wig cap, I don't know. But this is the hair. It is what the wig looks like. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. If you like when I make my wigs, actually how to make my wigs, let me know, because I can definitely start doing these, and it helps me as well to kind of fill out the hair some more. You guys can see the hair in its raw state, also in its raw state. Also, it just gives me more time with the hair, and you can basically walk the process through with me. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And again, Klaiyi here, thank you so much for sending me this to review. It's very nice here, you guys. And it's this tall. So that task, yeah. This is it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.